Hey everyone, welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. On today's list, we have the kids' areas upstairs to get done. I have some laundry to put away and some bedding to wash, so let's get started. So I try to do somebody's bedding on Sundays. I don't get around to all of it on Sundays. That's why you don't really see it in my Sunday reset routines. But I do try to wash bedding at least once a week, no matter what day. Today I'm getting to my bed and I need to wash my sheets. I recently washed our duvet and my new quilt that I showed you guys in one of my previous videos that I got from Walmart. I will have that video linked down below. Since my sheets are all white, I usually add a little bit of bleach, but I forgot. But I am adding my favorite little combo, which is the scent beads and the Downy Rinse and Refresh fabric rinse. These are just some clothes that I had hanging to dry. These are all kids' clothes, so I'm gonna take these upstairs in a few minutes to put them away. This might seem like a lot of clothes to you guys, but the boys actually split this closet right down the middle. So they share this closet and everything from winter to summer clothes are all in here, along with jackets, pajamas, jeans, pants, shorts, everything. So part of the kids' chores is to clean their room each day, but I am itching to get in here to vacuum. Everything is never put away like exactly where it's supposed to be, so I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna make their beds, put everything back where it's supposed to be so that I can vacuum. Moving on to the kids' bathroom, I thought I was just going to tidy up in here, but I need to clean because there's toothpaste on the rug, so I'm going to get that in the washing machine, wipe the countertops down and the cabinets. Then I look at the shower and there's shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all over the place, so I'm going to scrub that. And to clean their bathroom today, I'm going to be using the Branch Basics bathroom cleaner.
Was really I don't see the benefits now when you're broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it will take a miracle now to fix our problems. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now, and you're broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? Fall back to you, fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you?
The towels and rugs are nice and clean. This was actually one of the last things I did today, but I'm gonna put the clips here because it just makes more sense. I love the smell of fresh bedding, especially when I use my scent beads, but I also feel like I sleep better those first few nights after washing my bedding. Or is that just me? Let me know if you guys are the same way. Moving on to the kids' upstairs TV room, I'm just going to be picking up in here, dusting, and I'm going to vacuum.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. I don't wanna stay with you just to have to leave. If it isn't meant to be, you'll still be here eternally. I don't wanna say goodbye. I just arrived.
All right, so the last thing I'm going to be doing is vacuuming the steps. It's been a while, so I need to get that done. But my question is, do y'all still be using that carpet powder in 2024? Like, are we still using that, or is it bad? I kind of want to try it out because I feel like it smells good and it'll give my carpet that good, like, fresh, clean, new smell. Let me know down below. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.